Hey, mate. Welcome to our quick but comprehensive guide on mastering secure application delivery with Azure Network Security. Today, we are diving deep into the nitty-gritty of keeping your applications safe in the cloud. Trust me, you'll come out of this with a robust security strategy for your Azure deployments, not to mention some seriously strong muscles from all this jargon, information I'll be throwing at you. In today's digital jungle, securing your applications is not just smart, it's an absolute must. Azure serves as your fortress with a wide array of network security tools at your disposal. We're talking about a full-fledged defense system with Azure Virtual Network, Azure Firewall, Network Security Groups, Azure Front Door, Web Application Firewall, and DDoS protection. I know, that's a lot to take in, but stick with me, it's a whole lot of fun, actually. Together, they shield your apps from threats like DDoS attacks, unauthorized access, and those sneaky data breaches. Let's kick off with the core of Azure's security, the Azure Virtual Network. This network is like a secure enclave where your applications run, keeping only authorized traffic within its walls. It's like bouncing inside a club where only VIP guests are allowed. It's secure, sleek, and efficient. To set it up, here's a simple roadmap: define subnets for your resources, apply NSGs for granular access control at a subsegment level, and tuck the firewall settings safely inside the VNet perimeter. Speaking of NSGs, they're like digital bouncers for your network. Azure NSGs let you specify inbound and outbound traffic rules. Imagine setting up rules where only VIP guests, or in our case, approved IP addresses, get direct passes to our event. You'll craft a series of rules, like nobody but the best can talk to port 80, or even use WF policies to filter malicious traffic. Setting these up is like giving your traffic rules, while still keeping everything flowing smoothly. Now, the Azure Front Door is pretty much like having one grand entrance for all your traffic. Multi-site deployments need this hero. Wrapped around it, we often find WAF and DDoS protection shielding, because what's a grand entrance without a security guard, right? Configuring this is like planning an exclusive event. You'll want to set up a virtual network for your applications and manage traffic flows carefully, setting up a virtual service front door and making sure everything gets routed through. WFs are your frontline defenders against common attack vectors, like SQL injections or cross-site scripting. Setting them up in Azure is like adding expert security personnel to your event. They'll meticulously vet every bit of traffic. When you are done, you'll see attacks trying to slip past your defenses, and well, just let them know they're out. DDoS protection is where Azure really shows its moxie, offering a buffer of defenses against overwhelming DDoS attacks. It's Azure's way of saying, "Don't worry, Mom, I've got this." Choosing between a classic protection plan or premium resilience, it's about what security features you need and where your budget will hobble. Remember, we're not here to get lost in terms, but to make you a cybersecurity champion. Let's apply these tools, craft a solid strategy, get real-world hands-on, and make Azure not just a place of work, but fortress of solace. Imagine one day, our cloud is a model for security, and our apps, well, they're untouchable. As we wrap up this exploration, we've just scratched the surface of a vast ocean. We've discussed how to construct a secure network, protect against threats, but this is about creating an environment where your team can perform their dance without the fear of stepping on a virtual landmine. Strap in, as we move forward. Remember to apply yourself wholeheartedly. engage deeply, and soon, you'll be deploying your applications with the bravado and confidence of a cybersecurity guru. And hey, why not make a grand final? Next time we'll take a deep dive into best practices for continuous monitoring and threat hunting. Because when it comes to our digital realm, being prepared, always just a little proactive, can make all the difference. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more journeys into the amazing world of technology, delivered straight from the source, all the way to your inbox. Let's do this together, keep pushing forward, and secure it. 30:00 End of the conversation.